Hi, this is Mike from SuperBee, and today I'm going to show you the professional grade bottom bracket removal tool, the 1927A for 24 millimeters and the 1928A for 30 millimeter bottom brackets. One thing to take note, when you slide the tool into the bottom bracket, you're going to want to push on these wedge pieces like so it firmly seats into the inner surface of the BB. Now we're going to remove a Shimano bottom bracket. So for that, we would use the 1927A B.B removal tool for the 24 millimeter diameter. Simply put in the tool. And now press the wedges to make sure it's firmly in place. All right, it's locked in. Get a mallet like the TB-1100. Tap it out, and you're finished. All right, now we're going to remove the drive side bearings. Again, I'm pushing those black wedge pieces to firmly lock it in place. Grabbing my mallet. All right. Okay. All removed. So if you need to remove a bottom bracket, especially in a professional setting and need a really tough tool, the TB-1927A for 24 millimeters or the TB-1928A for 30 millimeters is a great choice.